Good morning, good morning, students. Today we will discuss or revise the chapter number 7 of Beehive. That is a very humorous extract from Jerome K. Jerome's Three Men in a Boat. So it is describing how the packing work is done by three gentlemen, including the narrator himself. So this is the chapter, students. Let me start the summary. There was three friends, Jerome, Harris, and George. Actually, they had decided just to go for a journey by boat. So that's why they decided that they have to do a lot of packing because there was really a very long journey. They had to go there about 1 to 2 months. Okay, so that's why they just wanted to do the packing. The very important thing that they had to do, that was packing. Jerome had just anonymously offered to do the packing. He felt pride in his ability to do the packing. So, but his main real intention was that his friends George and Harris will never agree to his offer. But opposite to his thinking, George and Harris happily agreed to the narrator's proposal. Jerome was very much irritated that his friends very readily they have just agreed to his offer. You know, जो Harris है, he just clocked his legs on a table, and George also sat on an easy chair. See here. So it was very much irritating moment for Jerome, but Jerome readily he decided to do the packing. Actually, what was the real intention of Jerome, that he would supervise his friends by saying that that is not right, that is not wrong. So, but according to him, his plan had not worked. He was trapped in his own words. So, somehow, however, Jerome had done the packing. However, just when he was just closing the last bag, Harris asked him if he had packed the books. Jerome was very much annoyed that he thought it was just like Harris to remind him of the boots when he was almost finished the packing. It means that Harris just wanted to irritate Jerome when he had just packed the bag. After that, he had reminded him whether he had packed the boots. So Jerome again had to open the bag and pack the boots inside it. After that, a horrible idea came to Jerome whether he had packed his toothbrush. Actually, his toothbrush is the thing that really haunts him whenever he just go for the journey. So what he does, he would just forget to repack it and would have to rush. And again, at the last moment, he had to get his toothbrush into his pocket and then run towards the station. So that's why every time Jerome just forgot his toothbrush to pack whenever he had to go for the journey. So this time also he was very much disturbed by the thinking, by the idea that whether he had packed his toothbrush or not. Then what he did? He had to reopen everything. He rummaged everything. He just got out each and everything that he had packed in the bag, and just to see and check where he had just packed the toothbrush. He had just found Harry's and toothbrush for 18 times, but he could not get his toothbrush back. So at the last, when he was again repacking the things, he just finally found it inside a boot. Jerome had to repack everything once again. So in this way, for many times, Jerome just forgot the things to repack, again had to repack it, again had to reopen it, and again had to repack it. For 4 to 5 times, he just had to open the bag. So finally, now Jerome had packed the bags, and by this time, Jerome was very much exhausted because finally it was already 10 o'clock, and he gave it to Harry's suggestion to let him and George do the packing. Now George and Harris, they just wanted to show Jerome how to do the packing. So now they have taken the responsibility to pack the hampers. That was also a very important task.